Hey friends, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host Mark Guido, and in today's episode we're going to evaluate a brand new RV cover and also show you the easiest way to put it on your RV. So stay tuned. So despite our best intentions, we're a little bit late getting our cover on this year. I had to come home yesterday and get up on the roof and clear almost a foot of snow off the roof of the trailer. But now overnight things dried out, and before the next storm rolls in tomorrow, we're going to get that cover on. Now this cover was sent to us by the manufacturer, BougeRV. They're sold on Amazon. We already had a cover for our travel trailer, but we decided to give theirs a shot as well and give it a thorough evaluation for you guys. It's a fraction of the price of what we paid for ours. These are sold on Amazon. The one for our size RV is $239.99, and for up to a 30-foot RV, they're $259.99. It's a 4-ply roof panel and single-ply side panels. It's got extensive zippers for accessing the trailer or opening your slides while the cover's on. It's got vents, and the side panels are breathable, so that'll keep any mold from forming underneath the cover. And covers are a great way to protect your RV during the off-season. Keep it out of the weather if you have to park it outside like we do. There are folks who are against putting covers on their RV. We like putting one on ours because it keeps the weather away. The big secret is to make sure that it fits well, snugly, so that nothing is going to be flapping around in the wind, which can cause any damage. And that's part of what we're going to be checking out with this one. So the first thing you want to do is lay the cover out as flat as you can possibly get it. And then you want to take the sides and fold the sides up inside out. So you want to have the center of the cover, the outside, facing up, and then fold the sides in so that way the inside is exposed of the sides that you've just folded up. Also, make note of which end is the front of the cover. Now, once you've got that laid up inside out, roll the cover up from back to front. Now the cover's all set to walk onto the roof. Now this is admittedly a lot easier with two people than one, but we'll get it up there. Now that you've got it on the roof, simply unroll it from back to front and flip the sides down. Now the BougeRV cover is fitted with elastic all the way around, so the next step is to pull it down on the side so that everything is even and snug the elastic underneath the RV. Now that that's done, what we're going to do is tie the straps that go from one side to the other beneath the RV to keep everything taut. One here. There's a buckle here. And one here. Now the final step is going to be to secure the straps at both the front and the back of the trailer. We like the vents that enhance the airflow along the roofline on both sides of the cover. We really like the fact that the cover is long enough to cover up our tires and eliminate the need to have separate tire covers to keep UV rays from deteriorating our sidewalls. Now, if you have to gain access to a door or a slide, there are zippered panels all along the side, both sides of the cover, to be able to zip that up, roll it up, and to be able to gain access. So we're fairly impressed with this cover by BougeRV. It's every bit the equivalent of the one that we spent over $400 for here at a local dealership in Salt Lake City 2 years ago. Save over $200. It's $239.99 for 24 to 27 foot and $259.99 for a 27 to 30 foot. We'll put a link right down below in the video description to this RV cover on Amazon. Now, if you like this video, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Also down below, you'll find the comment section where we'd love to hear from you after each and every video. Now, we would be honored if you share Grand Adventure with your friends, family, and on social media. And if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, now's the time. Smash that little red subscribe button down there in the corner and ring that notification bell so you can come along each and every Wednesday evening. Until next week, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.